DRG Kids.
Story The Doll's Wedding. Saloni studied in the 5th standard. She was very good in her studies. Saloni had 3 friends, Sheetal, Roshni and Ashu. After her studies, Saloni played with her friends a lot. Saloni loved to play with all her dolls very much. Saloni had a very beautiful doll with her. She loved her doll a lot. Saloni's friends, Sheetal, Roshni and Ashu had a male doll. 3 of them played a lot with their doll too. Their doll's name was Rajkumar. One day Saloni and Sheetal married off their respective dolls in a play. A game that involved marrying the dolls. It was a very fun-filled game. The marriage name of the dolls played out somewhat like this. Saloni talks to her doll.
My dear doll, now you are all grown up, is it not? Yes,
The doll speaks and nods her head up and down.
I have now started worrying about your marriage. You will get married, right, my dear doll? Tell me. Yes, I will get married, my dearest doll. And that is why I have brought this very pretty sari for you. You will look very beautiful in this sari. Will you wear this sari? Yes, I'll wear it. Today the groom's side will come to see you. Let's get you ready quickly now. And yes, remember to keep your head bowed down in front of the groom's family. Do not talk too much, please. Understood?
Saloni drapes the sari on her doll while she's talking to her.
Yes, I understood. If the groom's family approves of you, then very soon I'll get you married and go for pilgrimage. I will also have to arrange for the dowry. God knows what all they'll ask for in the dowry.
Right then someone rings the doorbell. Saloni tells her doll.
I think the groom's family has arrived. You sit quietly inside and I will open the door.
Saloni takes her doll inside and she opens the door. At the door, Saloni's 3 friends, Sheetal, Roshni and Ashu, have arrived as the groom's family. They have a box of sweets with them and their doll Rajkumar is also there.
Welcome everyone. Please come in. I was waiting for all of you. Please have a seat. Hope you had no trouble finding the house. No, not at all. We did not have any trouble at all. Don't worry. You all please sit. I'll bring some water for you.
Everyone sits down. Saloni pretends to bring water. Everyone is drinking water. Sheetal pretends to make her doll drink water as well.
Son Rajkumar, here, have some water. Sister, this is my dear son Rajkumar. What does your son do? He's studying to be a doctor. Lots of money is being spent for his studies. Yes, I'm sure. He is the boy's uncle and she is his aunt.
Sister, where is your husband?
He's out of town for some urgent work. He'll be back by evening. Please call the girl now. We would like to meet the bride-to-be of our son Rajkumar. I'll get her right away.
Saloni brings her doll out from the kitchen with a tray of tea in her hand. The doll is wearing a green colored sari. Saloni keeps the tea tray on the table and makes her doll sit next to the groom on a small chair.
This is my beloved daughter and your daughter-in-law to be. Wow, your daughter is very beautiful.
How far has your daughter studied?
She has just finished her college.
I hope she can do all the household work.
Yes, sister. My daughter is an expert in all the household work.
Suddenly, Saloni's mother enters the room calling for her. She's carrying a broom with her.
Saloni, what is all this? Come on, wash your hands and sit to eat right away. Food is ready. Come on, get up now.
Mom, you go please, I'm coming.
I don't know what your kids are playing.
Mom, we are playing with our dolls and these are my friends here.
Okay. Finish your game quickly and eat your food. I also have to go to the market today.
The kids have started playing the game again.
Sister, we really like your daughter.
I like her too. So sister, tell me, how did you like our son Rajkumar?
I liked Rajkumar the moment you all walked in.
Sister, I think we should ask for the decision of our kids also.
Saloni asks the dolls and they both say yes to that.
This is really great. Rajkumar and your daughter have said yes. Many congratulations to you, sister.
So this marriage is final, sister? It's final from our end, sister. when should we set the date for the wedding then? As soon as possible. Day after tomorrow will be good. It's a Sunday also. It will be easy for the guests to come. Okay, sister.
We completely forgot to talk about something important.
What did you forget, brother?
About the give and take. Dowry, sister.
Please tell me, brother, what do you want as dowry? We do not want a lot of things. This is just a small list of things.
Saloni reads the list and she says to herself, "Oh my God, so many things."
Okay, sister. We will leave now. We will meet you day after tomorrow during the wedding when you have all the things ready. And yes, make sure everything in the list is there, nothing less. Okay? Goodbye.
The three kids leave Saloni's house with their doll in hand. Saloni is eating food with her doll. Her mother is serving them food.
Mom, I fixed the marriage of my doll. The boy is very good.
Oh, wow. This is really good news.
Since the groom is so good, I'll have to arrange for dowry also.
Okay. Give whatever you have to give. Give me the list. I will bring everything.
Saloni gives the list to her mother. Her mother reads the list and she says,
Oh my God! So many things! TV, fridge, washing machine, cooler, AC, fan, microwave, car, motorcycle, 50-gram gold. So many things! The groom's family is very greedy. You need to break this marriage. Let it be. We will find a better groom for your doll.
No, Mom. I want my doll to marry this boy only. You please bring all the things on the list from the market, else I won't talk to you.
Okay, my darling daughter. Don't be angry. I will bring everything.
My dear mother, day after my daughter will get married. There will be music and everyone will dance. Wow, it will be so much fun.
Today is doll's wedding. Saloni has made all the arrangements of the wedding on her terrace. There are colorful lights installed. Music is playing. On one side, all the toys for the dowry is kept. Both the dolls are dressed for the wedding. Saloni and her friends are also wearing new clothes. The ambience is that of a real wedding. Then Saloni says,
Let's exchange the garlands. The time for the wedding is passing by.
But what's the hurry? Let us first see the things for the dowry. Huh?
All the things have been arranged for.
Okay. But till we get 10-gram weight gold chain, the wedding rituals won't start.
Let the wedding get done first. You will get the chain.
You listen to us very carefully. Till the time we get gold chain, this wedding won't happen. The groom's side of family will return.
No, don't do like this. I have given all that you have asked for. I'll give the chain next month. Please, let's get the wedding done.
Suddenly the groom says,
Until we get the gold chain, I am not ready to get married.
No, son, don't do this to us. I beg of you to change your mind. Please let the wedding commence.
Right then the sky starts lighting up with thunder and a blue light enters the female doll and the doll comes to life. And then the doll becomes big and then she says,
Enough, Mom, enough. I will not get married to such a dowry-hungry boy. Get up, Mom. Don't beg in front of him. And we should call the police now so that they get their punishment that they deserve.
All the guests start clapping and then one uncle says,
Everyone should have a daughter like your doll. Only then will the dowry-hungry people be wiped out of this country.
And then suddenly the ball becomes small again. Saloni picks up her doll and hugs her close. The police comes and takes away the groom and his family.